Welcome to this World Meditation Day. Well, we were waiting for something like this, a meditation day to happen for the whole world. To turn their attention to meditation, a most important subject called as meditation. I was in search of spirituality right from my beginning days. Then my search for truth, my search for spirituality led me to meditation. Search for meditation 40 years back. 45 years back. When I encountered meditation, then 45 years back, now this body is about 73 years old. So imagine 45 years back. When I encountered meditation, then I came to know about my purpose of life. We are all in search of our own specific purpose of life. Every person is different. Every individual is different. And every person has to find out his or her own purpose. The major premise in his life. Similarly, 45 years back, I discovered meditation, the right type of meditation. When I encountered Anapanasati through a friend of mine, I found my purpose of life. I hail from a middle class Brahmin family from South India. I had no family background in terms of spirituality or meditation. In my family, I am the first one to venture into spirituality. When I encountered spiritual masters, spiritual gurus, spiritual scientists, spiritual practitioners, I found my tribe. I began to accumulate a basic spiritual wisdom. And I was fulfilled when I came to know about my own specific purpose in my life. That is to spread spirituality everywhere, to every other person. Through spirituality, every person became important, very important person, VIP. Through spirituality, you yourself become very important person, VIP. VIP, very important person. Through spirituality, you begin to see every individual in new light. You see everybody as an eternal soul. You yourself have your own vision about yourself, that you are an eternal soul. When you understand that, there comes a peace that passes understanding. A grand peace dawns on you. Everything is eternity. Everything is timelessness. In this eternal field of timelessness, eternal souls indulge in small dramas, family dramas or individual dramas or community dramas. Everything is a drama. As William Shakespeare said, the whole world is a stage. We are all mere actors. We strut and fume, do our part and depart. We have read William Shakespeare as a literature man, but once we understand spirituality, we understand William Shakespeare G as a great spiritual master. The whole thing is a drama. It dawns on you, and you play your role perfectly. My specific role has been to teach meditation, the science of meditation, to every person, whomsoever I meet, and who is inclined to this kind of search for truth. There are many persons who don't want truth at all. They are not in search for truth. Obviously, this meditation is not for them. But there are any number of persons who are vitally interested in knowing the truth, searching for the truth. One out of 100 may not like meditation, may not like spirituality, but 99 out of 100, they all want spirituality. And spirituality is obtained only through meditation. "99% of the people, they want spirituality. 1% of the people, they don't want spirituality. They're atheists, agnostics. But 99% of people, they have an inner urge for something mysterious, something otherworldly, something which is extra-dimensional. So I cater to this 99% of the humanity who are in search for something, who are in search of their own true purpose of life, true meaning in life. And I've been able to help many individuals over these 40 years in terms of imparting knowledge about spirituality, principles of spirituality, practices of spirituality. And this led to a huge movement called as the Pyramid Spiritual Societies movement. With pyramid meditation centers everywhere in India. in many parts of the world. Hundreds and thousands of masters have become adepts in spirituality, adepts in meditation through Pyramid Spiritual Society's movement. And today, it indeed gives me a lot of pleasure in speaking about meditation on this World Meditation Day.